as we were talking about that the speed of light is changing because of the different mediums, because of whether the particles are closer in the medium or whether the particles are farther from the medium. So this has basically given us one more concept of optically or optical mediums. Okay, now here why we are talking about optical mediums, because all different mediums, whether you are taking glass, whether you are taking water, whether you are taking oil, you take anything through which light can pass, each optical medium will behave differently. Okay, now why we are talking about this optical medium, and to be specific, optical density, the reason being is this optical density has nothing to do with mass density. Okay, you have to remember that its mass density and optical density are two different concepts. I am giving you a very common example. Now suppose you have a beaker, and here it is this is water, and here this is oil. Okay, now based on this, what we have understood, that because oil is on the upper surface of the water, oil floats on the water, you can say this is water and this is oil. We all know that oil floats on the water. It means, what it is telling you, that it is less denser in context to mass density. Okay, but if I say, if I am taking a light ray and I pass the light ray, will it behave the same way? Will the because of the less density, the change in the light ray is going to be lesser or smaller? Now again, let us see. Suppose this is oil and this is water. Okay, now if I take a light ray and I draw a normal, the bending will be like this in case of oil, and if I take this as water, the bending in the light ray will be like this. Okay, so you can very well observe that in case of oil, the bending is more. It means the speed has decreased to more extent, whereas in case of water it was not so. But we know that this is less denser in terms of mass density, but it is more denser in case of optical density. So you have to remember that optical density and mass density are two different concepts. There will be mediums wherein the mass density will be more and optical density will be less, or optical density will be more and mass density will be less. So this is a very common example of oil and water, wherein the mass density of oil is less but optical density of oil is more. Okay, so please be very clear with the concept of optical density and mass density. Mass density is nothing but density equals to mass per unit volume, the formula that we have used in chemistry and physics also. So this is mass density, and optical density is a whole lot another process. Thank you, children.